strong women. I believe in the woman who is able to stand up for herself. You stand on your heart. We feel honored to welcome Chief Guest of the Day, Srimati Dr. Indra Hirdeshji, the Finance and Parliamentary Affairs Minister in Uttarakhand Government. Pali Group of Institutes. The Chairman, Shri C.L. Dhingraji, the Vice Chairman, Shri R.C. Mogaji, the Secretary, Shri Narendra Dhingraji, and the CEO, Shri Sanjay Dhingraji. We also welcome the directors of various institutes, the registrar AGI, and all the faculty members. We are grateful to the media, students, and the entire Amrapali family gracing us with their precious presence. Now we request Honorable the Secretary AGI, Shri Narendra Dhingraji, to kindly felicitate our Chief Guest of the Day, Srimati Dr. Indra Hirdeshji, Cabinet Minister in Uttarakhand Government, with the bouquet. So kindly welcome. Backward illiterate and the working women widely travel within the country and abroad. From graduate teachers, constituency of Garhwal and Kumaon. Besides this, she has many more laurels in her credit. Thank you so much for the honor, sir. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dana sampada, shatru buddhi vinashayam, deep jyoti namostate. And the event coordinator to kindly give a formal start to the event. Sir, we welcome you for your kind words.
Eminent guests, to this precious welcome function Abhinandan 2016, which you have been witnessing from the morning. And our heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. Indra Hirdeshji. Ma'am, from your busy schedule. It's a tough day. A lot of events are planned up in Haldwani as well as life is an endless journey. It has no end but milestones. Definitely yes, milestones. And your journey with Amrapali family for various programs will certainly be a memorable journey in your life. That's what I can assure each one of you. I must introduce you to a snapshot of AGI, which is a journey of 17 years now and has vivid colors of success added to it. This journey began with 87 students and now we have more than 3,500 students with us. The success story of thousands of students who passed out, who are the alumni now, and the actual brand ambassadors of Amrapali Group of Institutes. The success story speaks in itself the kind of efforts everybody's put in. During these years, we have won various accolades and awards. The entire credit goes to the students and the faculty member of the team. Thank you so much everybody for that. So fasten up your shoelaces and buckle up your belts for the journey ahead, because the best part of your life is waiting for you all. No matter how tiny or big is a spark of victory, but Amrapalians know how to fan those sparks into flames. So feel proud to be part of this great institution. I would like to recite few lines for you all. सपनों में रख आस्था, सपनों में रख आस्था।